Hello, welcome to Purchet. My name is Ronnie, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your student accommodation on Purchet. I'm also going to be taking you through how to create your student account on Purchet. So the first thing that you need to do is just to come over here to purchet.com and you'll be brought to the home page just like this. So to help you find your student accommodation, you can take advantage of the search bar over here by just typing in the name or the location of the place where you want to find your accommodation at. So you can type in the name of a city or of a town or of the university closest to the area where you want to find your accommodation. Either you use the search bar or you scroll down here where you can see featured campuses on Purchet. So over here we have University of Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah University, University of Cape Coast and Ashesi. So if you click on any of these ones, you'll be sent to a page where you see properties or accommodations that are close to these various universities. And another way that you can also search for property is by clicking on either of these popular city tabs. So if you click on Accra, Kumasi, Cape Coast or Tema, you'll be sent to the search page where you'll be filtered out properties or student accommodations that are in these cities. So these are the ways that you use to find student accommodation. But before we start searching, we need to create a student account. So let me show you how to do that right now. So to do that, just come to the top over here where you see the sign up button. Click on the sign up button. Then you'll be brought to the sign up page where you'll be able to create an account. So over here you can see the text, I want to join as student or host. Since today we want to sign up as a student and then book student accommodation, make sure that you've selected student because the host has a different sign up process. So make sure to click student so that you get the student sign up form. So after selecting student, you can see the fields that are required of you here. Your first name, your last name, your valid email address, your valid phone number, select your gender, select your university, and then enter in a secure password. And then after that, agree to the terms and condition and then just hit create account. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in this form and then create an account that we'll be using today. Alright, so I've gone ahead to fill out this form. So over here I said my name is Prince Smith. I've entered a valid email address, a valid phone number, selected my gender as male, selected University of Ghana, and then set a secure password. So right after doing that, just scroll to the bottom over here and then click I agree to the terms of service. After doing that, then click the create account button. So just like that, my student account has been created for me and I can start booking my room. But before you do that, there's one more thing that you need to do, which is verify your email and phone number, which is why you have to enter a valid email and phone number. So to do that, just come down here where you see confirm email address. So what's going to happen is you receive a code that will be sent to your email account. You enter this code over here to verify your email and then you move on to the next step, which is the phone number. So to get that code, come over here and click the resend code button. Okay, the code has been sent to me. Let me check my email. Alright, I checked my email and this is the code that I received. So now I'm going to verify my email. Okay, just like that, my email has been verified. Now you can see this check over here which says email verified. So let's move on to our phone number. To do that, we just come down here and then click the resend SMS. Alright, so I checked my phone and then this is the code that I received to verify my phone number. So I just click complete verification. And then just like that, my email and phone number have been verified and then I can move on to booking my first room. So if you click this button over here which says complete now, we get this page over here which tells us the things that we need to complete. So the first one over here says complete university details. The second one says add an emergency contact. The third one says verify your identity. And then the fourth one says add a profile photo. So this will just take you a few minutes to do and to help complete your account. So in order to be able to fill any of these, you can just click the buttons next to the cards and then you'll be taken to the page to fill the various details. So after you've done that, your account is now complete and now we can move on to the next step, which is browsing to find the hostel that we want to book. So to find the hostel that you want, you can use any of the filtering options that I've told you, or you can click this browse all properties button on the home page, which will take you to a page where you can browse through all the hostels on this platform. So I'm just going to click the browse all properties. So right over here, as you can see, a list of properties have appeared and you can look at them to see which one that you want to book. So each of them have their pricing structure. For this one, it says 50 Ghana cedis per week. This one says 398 per month. This one says 11 Ghana cedis per week. So different prices have how they charge, whether per semester, per month, per week, per day, or whatever. So depending on the pricing structure that you are comfortable with, then you pick the property that you want. Now another good feature with Purchet is that you can use the map over here. So by clicking on the map button over here, you'll be brought to the map page just like this, where you'll be able to see the locations where each property are residing. So for example, this 99 Ghana cedis owned over here is the same one that we are seeing over here. So if you find out that the location of the property is close to where you want it to be, then you can go ahead and book it. So you can look at the entire map of Ghana and then find the properties that are closest to where you want to book and then use that to also filter the hostel that you want to book. book. Just like that, that's the long and short of it, and that's how to filter out to find the hostel that is best for you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to read and understand the properties that you find, and then also how to book them. So if you want to learn how to do that, then click on the video on your screen right now.